Suppose, lahi na pong naong kitang tulo.
En. Selfie. Go. Ya.
Ala. Go. 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 Ala. Go. Go. Hala.
As part of fulfilling aspirations of our children, we may have distinct ways in taking care of them, but most important, sending them to school is a legacy that cannot be changed forever. Let us always remember that parenthood is endless. It is a timeless responsibility that takes courage and determination to persevere against all odds. Above all, it is a responsibility that binds us together as we promise our children to be with them through good and bad times. On behalf of the parent of this moving up class, I salute Jaipur Memorial High School for being the catalyst of quality education that provides hope and more opportunities for our children and to develop and discover their potentials. Thank you very much for being the pillar of discipline and for treating the youth as condition of pride and prestige. Once again, thank you very much and may God bless us all.
Thank you so much, Dr. Norma, for your closing remarks. So, muna na itong ipaabot. Na-close na ang program. I-open na ito ganina. And ladies and gentlemen, the recessional. That was our 9th molding up ceremony of Jaipur Memorial High School, Santa Catalina, Sagbayan, Bohol for the school year 2023-2024. On behalf of the institution, allow me to extend